Greetings, fellow muckers. Today we'll be working on shell method problem. The problem: let R be the region bounded by the graph of f of x equal to sine of x squared, the x-axis and the vertical line x equal to the square root of pi halves. Find the value of the solid generated when R is revolved about the y-axis. Now pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you're able to solve this problem. Now, let's work on it together. So, we're going to be using the shell method. So to find the value that the solid generates, we'll be setting up the problem as v equal to the integral from, so if we plug this into a calculator to see the graph of what this function will look like, it would look something like a bowl, like a cylinder, a shell, like a cylinder. So it's like if you take a cross section of it. So in terms of the x-axis, you'd be working from 0, because you're bounded by the x-axis, to the vertical line of x equal to the square root of pi halves. So square root of pi halves. And then we're going to have 2 pi of x, which is going to represent the circumference of the shell, and then the shell's height, which is going to be what it was given as our f of x. So it'll be sine of x squared dx. So this is going to be the setup for the problem. Now we're just going to have to evaluate this integral to find the value of the solid. So to do that, we're going to need to do use substitution. So let's see, we can let u be equal to x squared. Then we get du equal to 2x dx. So we have that. So let's now change our boundary and we pull out the pi. So we have pi, the integral of 0 squared is 0. The square root of pi halves squared is pi halves. And we're going to get sine of u. And we have du as 2x dx. So we'll just write du. And now if we take the integral of this is going to be equal to pi times the negative cosine of u from 0 to pi halves. And if we evaluate this, we will get, this is going to be equal to pi. What's cosine of pi halves? That is going to be equal to 0, and then minus a negative 1, because cosine of 0 is 1. And this is going to be equal to plus a positive, so pi times 1 is equal to pi. And that is going to be the solution for the problem. So the value of the solid generated when R is revolved about the y-axis is equal to pi. I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking this video.